Hi, I'm Marlo Aspen. Today, I'm going to show you some wacky, fun, and bold ways to make money from home. So let's begin. Are you smart, sexy, and sophisticated? Well, DWD Enterprises seeks ladies just like you. You can make the big bucks and get paid up to 60 cents per minute for talking intimately on the phone. You get paid weekly via direct deposit. And there are immediate openings right now. You gotta call between 10 a.m. and 9 p.m. Central Time though. Also, when you call, ask about the signing bonus. You can live anywhere for this position, and you get to work from the comfort of your own home. If you're interested, contact Dana. Looking for full-time, flexible shift with high pay? Well, see Now Productions. They need experienced phone entertainers for busy direct dial lines. The current need are women in charge. And you make up to $700 and more a week. Top earners are making as much as $900 and more. You can work from home, live anywhere in the US for this position, and if you'd like, you can contact Jody or Lisa. If you're well-spoken, sexy, and have a creative mind, you can make a lot of money. You gotta work a minimum of 20 hours a week for Femdom Femme Fatales. As a phone entertainer, you have to know a little bit though about Femdom, Fetishes and Kinks. No clue? No worries. All you have to do is Google it. You can be an expert in no time. You can earn up to $100 a day entrancing submissive clients. Hello. You have to be at least 18 years of age. You have to have a laptop, a desktop, or an Android tablet. You have to be a college grad or a student. And you have to have high-speed internet in order to be taken into consideration. You have to call to audition. You heard right. They are auditioning, so practice makes perfect, they say. You can live anywhere in the US for this position, and lots of luck if you decide to go for it. Next, McQueen and Associates is hiring friendly, unhurried people for adult conversations on the phone. You need at least 6 months experience, and you must devote at least 30 hours a week. You need a good internet connection. You have to have a reliable computer and a quiet work environment. You can live anywhere in the US, and top candidates make around $800 a week. Now, that's not bad for flirting on the phone. So, hope you enjoyed these jobs. Good luck and best wishes in applying. Hope you get them, and I will chat with you soon. Thanks.